Hey guys, it's Dr. Hess here with Wayne. Yeah, I'm glad you're here. Wayne is one of our practice members. He's done so awesome under chiropractic care, and he's come a long way. And I just wanted to pull him aside here and share real quickly your experience with Discover Chiropractic Care.
Okay, when I first came here, I was having low back pain really bad. I was having a hard time walking. I could barely walk most of the time. And when I came here, they started adjusting me, and I noticed my walking improved. My pain started going away, and one of the things was really exciting because I would have trouble getting up and down stairs, and after a few adjustments and everything, I noticed I could get upstairs without struggling while having to pull myself upstairs. So it's been a real major improvement in my health. I'm feeling a whole lot better. I'm feeling the best that I have in years.
Wow, that's awesome. That's amazing. So walking upstairs better, feet move better, knees move better, just pain-free.
Yeah.
Anything you'd say to maybe somebody that is a skeptic or just kind of have thought about doing chiropractic or just skeptical?
I'd say do it, because here's the thing. I was having, like, for instance, feet problem. My feet were hurting a lot and everything, but I always thought that had to do with the shoes I was wearing. So I'd go buy new shoes thinking that would help. It would relieve it, but wouldn't solve it. I started getting the prior chiropractic adjustments, and all of a sudden my feet quit hurting. So then I learned that my back has to do with the overall body, because that would have affected my feet as well. But I didn't realize that until I started getting the adjustments and realized my back has a lot to do with how I was feeling everywhere else.
That's awesome, man. That's so good. I'm so proud of you. I'm excited for your progress. I mean, we've been talking over the last couple months about your progress, so it's exciting, and I didn't know all that about you, so it's great. Listen, like the video, comment below if you have anything you want to tell us or ask questions about chiropractic, and we'll see you soon at Discover Chiropractic.